Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. Today we're taking a look at the Goddess Ribbed Crop Dynamite tank in classic red and white, the Aces tennis skirt in classic red, and we'll also feature the Aloe Soft Ribbed Crop Calm tank in gray. First, let's take a look at the classic red Goddess Ribbed Crop Dynamite tank. This tank is considered a bra tank. Aloe calls it so explosive, which I'm not really sure what it's supposed to mean. Features a high neck and a bare open back. It is made in Aloe's really soft and stretchy ribbed material and has a pretty comfortable built-in bra inside. This bra does have removable cuffs, although they're kind of tricky to find. Next up, let's try on the Aces skirt. This tennis skirt has the cutest design. I tried this on in the white color in another try-on, but I will tell you, the red is just so striking. You can really see the Aloe imprinted logo along the waistline a little bit better in the red, and I think it's just such a striking color. This tennis skirt, like all of Aloe's tennis skirts, does feature the little shorts inside with pockets on both sides, which are just great for essentials, or I guess in many cases a tennis ball. Trying these two on was a total win. I really love the skirt. I think it's flouncy and fun, and the top had a great style to go with the skirt. The one downfall I will say about the top is that I did try it in a extra small in red and a small in white. You can see the comparison, but I think that the extra small was a little bit too tight and restrictive, and the small was a little bit too loose. I also think that the top is just a little bit too short for my liking, which really isn't any fault to Aloe because it is called a bra tank, but I think for my personal liking, I need it to be a little longer to feel comfortable. That's probably not the trending perspective, but it's what I got. Finally, I tried on the gray Calm tank to go with this red skirt just to see if the style would do anything for me. I definitely thought the all red or the white with red was a little bit more striking, but this one worked too. Overall, this skirt was my favorite piece, but I'm still not sure what I'm going to pair it with. Drop me a link in the comments below if you have any ideas. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more.